Okay. The demand zone is the level where a lot of people will want to buy when price reach that level, right? And then a supply zone is the level where a lot of people will want to sell when price reach that level. So for me, how do I identify my supply and demand? I look how long did the price take to reach that level, right? You check how long did the price take to reach that level. So if price take time, took like a lot of, if price took a lot of time to reach that level, it means that level, when price reach that level again, a lot of people will wanna buy it or sell it, right? How do you look at it? It's very easy. You just scroll back. Let's assume we are here, right? Price is ranging. Okay, let's just assume we are somewhere here, right? Let's just say this side we don't have any data running, right? So I want to identify my supply and demand. I want to know where I want to identify my demand zone. I want to know where price will stop when it's going down. Price will won't go. Remember the simple rule. Price will won't go all the way down forever, right? Somehow it has to change structure and go all the way back. So how do I know? How will I know that it's time for price to do what? To go back up. It's simple, guys. I'll just do this. I'll just check structure back. What happened to since when did price reach the supply, the strong level, the strong support zone? So I'll just go back. Let's just sorry. Let's just for an example. Let me just draw a line here where price 10, right? Let me just go there. Okay. Let's say if you zoom back, how long did price reach that level? Right. Look at this level here. It's been there since when? Since 2016, January, right? That is the level. That is your level. You should look at that level. That price, when price reach that level, it will have to go back up. A lot of people, remember, a lot of people will buy it to push it up, right? So I'm trying to combine almost everything here, right? Almost everything. So because we are all experienced traders here, no one is the beginner here. We're all experienced traders. So before you try to identify why did the price reach that level, look at the date as well. How long did the price take to reach that level, right? That's where you'll see that a lot of traders will want to buy it when price reach that level. If a lot of traders buy it, remember, if many traders buy, price will go up. If a lot of traders sell, price will go down. So let's just check. Price has been bouncing here with the same level as this one and this one, right? So it simply means if price break this level here, it's going to stop where? You go back again, you see that it might stop on that level there. So somehow, some way, price have to reach that level, right? So let's check another level. Let's just take this one for an example. Remember, the levels, Joe, different traders will draw them differently. So don't worry if you draw it wrong or right. As long as you know when to get out and when to enter the trade and when to get out, right? Okay, let's just see where price is running right now, right? So it's just one. Remember, we have what? We have strategies that we are using. So we're combining almost all the strategies that we are having, right? So if price is going down, somewhere it has to go up. What's going down must come back up. But how will you know that now is time for it to go up, right? Let me add this level here. Look at this level. Look at that level there. How long did price take to reach that level? So price reached that level around March this year, right? Around March 2018, sorry, around March 2018. So we know that that level it's a supply zone. Remember, the demand is on your support, it's on your support level. The supply is on your resistance level. So If price reach this level here, so if price reach this level here, a lot of traders will do what? Will wanna sell it going down, right? So we might not sell it going down because of strategy that we are using, but I'll show you how, right? I'll show you how. So let's jump quickly to this level here. Why we finally bought this level going up, right? It's simple. It's like this. We having what? We having our own strategy that we're using. Remember, it's the simplest strategy ever, right? We do what? We do what? We wait for the breakout. After every breakout, expect price to pull back to that level. That's all, right? That's what we do, right? Our signal, we don't use what? We don't use indicators, no indicators, no anything. We just use simple thing. After every breakout, expect price to reach that level. And for you to be able to draw a nice trend line, you must have what? Three touches, right? It must be 1, 2, 3. If you check my charts, I use one strategy all the time, right? One strategy all the time. A breakout and retest, I buy it going up, right? If we are saying your counter trend, for an example, okay, let me say, sorry, I think my connection is. Let's say we're having a break. Sorry about that, guys. Let's say we're having this this level here. If we had a bounce here, and then we had what? And then we had a breakout there. So expect price to pull back to that level before it can go down, continue going down. If I keep saying, guys, stop doing what? Stop doing counter trend. If you are saying counter trend, we are talking about what? Price broke this level going down, you buy it going back up for retest. That's wrong. This is very, very wrong. This is very wrong. We don't do that. We rather wait for what? We rather wait for price to reach certain level there and then continue going, and then we sell it going down. So we are not buying it going up. It's a counter trend, right? It's a counter trend. A lot of traders lose money because of that. Because you are buying, you are selling, you are buying, you are selling at the same time. I understand we make money when buying and selling, right? But you cannot do this. You cannot buy here and then sell there, buy here, sell there, buy here, sell there. It's very wrong, guys. It's very wrong. Buy here, sell there. No, it's very wrong. That is counter trend. You have to follow the trend. Don't go against the trend, right? Don't go against the trend. So if a lot of people lose money, it's because they buy here and then wait for it to reach that level and sell it there. Remember, if something, we call it a strong trend, it won't retrace to 61.8 of your FIB. It can even retrace to 88.2 of your FIB zone, FIB level, right? So if you counter trend, you are buying it towards 61.8. That's very wrong. That's how we lose money. That's how we lose money. So if we are here, we wait for it to reach this level. So let's say I want to combine everything, guys, today. I want to just do everything that you should know. So, because I understand some of you guys already are trading, so you have to know this. So, if we are here, we had a breakout here, right? You just pull your FIBO from the extreme high, the nearest high, there to the nearest is there. So you will wait for what? For price to do what? To reach 61.8 before you can sell it, right? You just wait for price to reach 61.8. Let me just do this. Let's see. Let me just do this so that I can be able to see the 61.8. Okay. Okay, cool. Yeah, the 61.8 will be here. on this level. So for me, for us guys, we have to wait on that 61.8 to sell it going down. To sell it going down. Don't ever buy it going up. It's a counter trend. If you're buying it going up, where is your exit? Where is your exit? Where is your stop loss level? I understand that you might say, I'll check structure back to hide my stop loss, but it's very dangerous. You cannot do that. You rather wait for it to reach this level. Some other time you'll find something like this. You'll find out that, okay, let's just zoom in. Oh, come on. Let's just zoom in. Here, on this level, you look for what? You look for candlesticks pattern. You rather look for what? For sell signals there to sell it going down. Like remember, candlesticks pattern. If I have a candlestick like this one, right? If I have a candlestick like this one, sorry guys, I'm not used to throw this candlestick. That candlestick should have a long tail, a small body, and a nose there. That is a sell signal. That is your sell signal. Sometimes you can find that candlestick way before the 61 point, way before your sell level, right? So you just use that candlestick as your signal to do what? To sell, right? Sometimes you use what? You look for if price is going towards 61.8. Sometimes they will hit the sell signal, which is candlestick pattern. We look for bearish pin bar, we look for bearish engulfing candle, right? So remember, we don't buy for going up, we rather wait for this candlestick or a bearish engulfing candle there. The question is, do we have bearish engulfing, do you have candlesticks pattern there? I'm not convinced that this one will be a sell signal. It doesn't have that long body that I was looking for. I'm not convinced. So obviously on this one we could have missed what? We could have missed a trade of sell trade. So we got so many pairs. We rather wait for that. We rather miss that trade than going against it, right? If you buy it here, let's say you used your FIBO from that high to the low, for an example, right? So a lot of traders do this. They buy it here, going up. They want to get out where? They want to get out on 50.0, 50, somewhere there. It's going to be your TP. A lot of traders do that. And then stop loss will be somewhere down here. Your stop loss will be somewhere. That's what they do. For me, it's very dangerous. If you see, it didn't even touch 61.8. It turned where? On 38, right? 38.2 before it goes down. So it could have went down straight to your stop loss. So you rather wait on this level to sell it going down. You know what I always do? For me not to miss the trade, I place two pending orders. We place two pending orders. Number one, we place it on what? On 50.0%. Another one on 61.8. Two pending orders. Your stop loss, you just have to hide it somewhere there. Don't worry about if your stop loss level you think is far. I think it's too much risk. Use what? Either you can wait, you can check where price bounced when going up like this. And then you just hide your stop loss there. It's your money at the end of the day. You just hide it there. Or you just decrease your lot size and then go in with a sell. If you think your stop loss is too much risk. So another one, let's just continue, guys. Okay. Like I always say, guys, the strategy that we are using is very much boring. So it's easy. So that it's easy and boring. So you just have to follow your rules, your boring rules, and then you will win. I'm telling you. Okay, let's look for another example. Look at this lows. Right? These lows were taken out where? Here. it was broken, those lows. Why? Here, it breaks the lows going down, create a new low. Come in. Right? So it broke this low there, went back to test, right? Create a new low here. Break the low here, create a new low, went back to test, right? All the time. So if you don't know your candlesticks patterns, you won't be able to do what? To catch this entries. Let me just show you a quick example. Let me just show you a quick example. Look at this breakout here. This lows here. This lows broken way here, going down, right? Going down. So we were waiting for what? For sell here. Look at this candle here. Look at this candle. We call this candle a bearish engulfing candle. Remember the rule of a bearish engulfing candle. The body of that candlestick should be bigger than what? The previous three. That is your strong sell signal. The body of this engulfing candle should be bigger than previous three. Not the shadows, the body should be bigger than previous three. Then we'll take it as what? We'll take it as a strong sell signal, right? Right? Remember, for you to be able to draw your trend line, you need 3 touches, right? You need 3 touches, then you can be able to draw your trend line. Let's just do this quickly. Still got a little bit time. Let's just do this. Let me just show you this one. Okay. Yeah. Look at these 3 touches now. Do you have 3 touches there? Yes, we do. If we draw a line here and here and here, we're having what? Our 3 touches. So that's when you can draw your trend line. So for you to know that this pair is going up, it should break that trend line. If it didn't break that trend line, it's not changing your structure, right? And then the strategy that we created, the strategy that we use, we call it 1, 2, 3 levels. So towards, you must listen carefully. Towards your strong support and resistance, towards demand zone, you need 3 touches, right? You need 3 touches. How many touches do we have there towards resistance? Let's just take this one. A low, high, took out the low, created a new low, went back to test. We sell it there again, go back up, and then took out the low towards what? Towards that resistance. So this level here, you'll be your number 1, number 2, number 3. That's when you can buy it going up. That's when you can know that this pair is about to do what? It's about to break what? To break that trend line. It's about to break that trend line, and then it's changing. It might now change our structure. How many confluences do we have? Good question. How many confluences do we have? We have 1, 2, 3 strategy, which is 1, 2, 3. Another one, which one do we have? We have this strong demand zone, right? We combine everything that we know, right? If you draw this trend line, like I said, different traders will draw them differently. So you don't have to worry. Different traders will draw them differently. Let's say we draw it like this. Let's say some draw it like this. Yeah. So for me, I saw this breakout here. Right? This was my breakout here, going up. This was my breakout that I was convinced that now it's gonna break up. So if you buy it here, you need to know where to get out, right? It went all the way up to this level. Where is your exit? Where is your exit? You have to know your level. Your exit should be below that level there. Below that level there. Why below that level? Because you know that after every breakout, price have to pull back to that level to test. So I just anticipated that price will do this, will go up to this level. I wanted it to turn here and go back to test. To test what? To test this breakout here, right? To test this breakout here. So for me, I had no breakout here. I had no breakout until this level here. This wasn't my breakout. Remember? I'll show you the 1, 2, 3 retest the other day. And then look at this one here. We had a breakout here from here going up, right? And then it went back to test, right? Here we look for buy signals here. We look for buy signals, right? So we look for buy signal, we look for confluences. Number one confluences is change structure. Number two, we'll pull our Fibo from the low to the high, which is there, right? We just put it roughly there, okay? You must make sure that, guys, you place your Fibo correctly, right? Otherwise you're gonna miss the entries. You're gonna miss the entries. So after placing 2 entries there, after placing your Fibo, you'll wait for price to reach 61.8. You place 2 pending orders where at 61.8 and then where, and then at 50.8. The reason I put it there, I put 2 pending orders. Sometimes price doesn't reach. Sometimes the price doesn't reach 61.8. It turns where it just touch 50 and turn on the middle of 61.8 and then go back up. So for me, 61.8 is your kill zone. Once price touch this level, if you find a price there, you can just press buy inside this zone. Just press buy. So price will go all the way up. So this here will be your first exit, right? This level here will be your first exit. This level will be your second exit. So after this second exit, you'll wait for price to reach to go back and test. Remember, it's going towards where? It's going towards your supply zone now from your demand zone, right? So for me, this pair is going all the way here to demand zone. Why do I say okay, I'm done there? Is because price has been there on 2018 on March. So if price reach there, a lot of people will want to sell it. So I'm done with this price when it reaches this level. Another thing that you should add is the 1, 2, 3 strategy from your demand zone, which is level 1, level 2, level 3. So we have so many confluences there to risk our money. So many confluences there to risk our money. So patient, guys, is the key. I'm telling you, patient is the key. Remember, if you didn't hit your TP, if you want to place a nice TP, you highlight the last bullish candle before the bearish go down to retrace, which is, let's say you highlight this one. The last bearish candle before the last bullish candle before bearish go down to retrace, right? And then you'll have your exit somewhere below your order block, right? And then that will be your first exit. So why do I get out here? Why do I have a second exit here? It's because of this level here. Price bounced here, also bounced this side and this side. So price will respect that level. So when price reach that level from here, when price reach this level, I'm out, right? I'm expecting it to go what? To go back and test, and then continue going up. So if price will break a level and go back and test, it means price will not respect that level. If you check here, look at this breakout. Look at this breakout here, right? And then look at this breakout here, right? Roughly there. So price is only going down there to test, guys. It's only going down there to test. It's going to continue going up. It means it won't respect this level. It won't respect this level, guys. So it's going to continue going up and stop where? Stop to where? Stop here. Price will always stop where it stopped before. Price is not going to stop. It's always stop where it stopped before. It won't just stop for no reason. Why did price stop here? Why did price stop here? It's because it stopped there before, right? Why did I anticipate that price will stop here? It's because it stopped there before, which is this level here, right? We can do this over and over again, but the strategy is one and simple. It's one and very, very simple, guys. You just have to know if you are not confident about the 1, 2, 3 strategy towards demand and towards supply and demand, wait for that breakout and use the 1, 2, 3 strategy from supply and demand, right? Than using the 1, 2, 3 strategy towards supply and demand. Rather wait for this one. I know a lot of people do mistake of this one. Rather wait for this one, the 1, 2, 3 strategy this side, than this side here, because this one will be having so many confluences again with the Fibonacci, again with the 1, 2, 3, again. How many confluences do we have? How many confluences do we have? That's what happened on Edge Forex. How many confluences do we have? Right? We're having this many confluences. So another thing that we should add quickly. So if you go to 4 hour, you know where price is going, right? Now you go to lower time frame to get so many entries, right? You get that to get that entries, guys. So if you see on 4 hour, we're having what? Another thing here, a breakout, right? A bullish flag, right? It's a continuation pattern, right? And then it continue going up, right? What is it forming there? Because on daily, we confirmed that it's going all the way up, right? So on daily, it's forming something like consolidation. So it's retesting this level, this breakout here. So we look for another entry here going, we look for another entry here going up. Simple as that. Simple as that. Right? We had a breakout here. And the retest, we buy, going up. We had a breakout here, and then consolidation, bullish flag, right? It broke that bullish flag, the pole of that bullish flag, it broke the neckline of that bullish flag. So it's coming back to test that breakout. So it's still gonna continue going up. So we're not gonna buy it. We have 3 touches, remember? We have 3 touches. 1, this one, 2, this one, 3, this one. We draw the trend line. We are now allowed to draw the trend line. I'm telling you, we will keep buying until it breaks that trend line. If it doesn't break that trend line, we are not gonna buy that pair, right? Let's see what we can get on H1 quickly. Let's see what we can get on H1. Same thing, guys, over and over again. But we are more convinced that it's going up from daily time frame. So on a lower time frame, we want those multiple entries going up. We'll go to lower time frame, wait for the breakout, the pullback, keep buying and going up. So if you look at H1, got a trend line, right? Look at this side. We had a breakout, right? Bullish flag, right? Right? Is a bullish flag. So if you anticipated that this side will be a nice inverse head and shoulder, right? Will be a nice inverse head and shoulder, right? Going up. So we just look for another entries here. sorry about that. Another entries here going up. So if we say we missed entry, I don't miss entries, guys. I don't want to lie. I don't miss entries because I know what I do. I know if trade doesn't retrace to 61.8, we got a neckline. This here will be your neckline. Right? This will be your neckline. When price is still going towards towards that 61.8, and then I'll wait with a buy stop there, another neckline there, another neckline there. I'll wait with a buy stop there. Remember, if you place your buy stop, don't touch this candles here. Don't touch this candle, slightly above. Why? Simple answer. Because price will always turn where it turned before. Do we have a neckline here? This will be your neckline. Because you are convinced that on the daily time frame is still gonna go up, you can still wait with a buy stop there, right? And then again, you can pull your Fibo from this low to the highs, which is there. Let's just take this one. So is the price already 61.8? No, it's ranging between 38.2 and 50.0%. So we might want to buy it where? We might want to buy it here, going up. And then one more thing I should add, simple thing, is the trend line, right? Somewhere here, price should turn and go back up, because on daily you saw that is going up. Thank you very much, guys, for your day today. I'm done for today. I'm left with 5 minutes. Do you have any questions? Anyone?
Yes, sir. Sir, can I use your?
Please.
Okay, thank you.
Any questions? No questions, right? No problem, guys. I'll just email you this video. Just don't forget to send me email address. Just inbox me your email address, and then I'll email you this video.
Sir, can I use your system cursor?
Come again?
Can I use your system cursor? I want to ask something.
Yeah, can you ask something quickly?
Sir, I want to use your system cursor.
Okay, cool. Let me just share it with you. Let me just share it. There we go. Can you control the mouse?
Yeah. Wait a minute. No.
Yeah, just
now I
be able to control it. You've got 4 minutes. Let's be quickly. Just be quickly. You can control the mouse from that side. Yeah, there we go. There we go.
Yeah, I want to draw a trend line on where we started once. Sorry. I will share my screenshot. Oh, yeah.
There you go. Do you want to share your screen? Can you share your screen?
Sir, I am using mobile, so I can't.
Okay, cool. Just try to draw. Just try to draw everything that you want to ask.
I want to ask from first retracement, where you said it is a counter trading.
The counter trend. Yeah. Can you ask me on WhatsApp? You got 2 minutes. Can you ask me on WhatsApp?
Sir, okay, fine. I will be managed. I will share a second.
So let me just check it quickly, because we have only 2 minutes. I don't see anything.
Short of.
I've been out for a week. So I have like 2,000 messages. So I can't keep up. Can't scroll up all the way up. Okay, cool. You'll send me on WhatsApp. Then I'll try to just send me on WhatsApp, or make a small video and then try to send it to me. I'll answer it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much, guys. We'll talk again tomorrow. I don't know which time you agreed with Mr. Welcome, but it's fine. We will talk. Let's have a nice day, guys.